guys, how are you? I'm going to have an update of what's going on of the rest of my garden. Hope you guys have a good day. This is my cabbage and it's growing good, though you cannot see anything yet in there, but it's doing good. A dozen, but some of it is smaller like this. There is my tomato here and it's flowering pretty good. And yesterday I put this support and I prune the bottom area. I know there's lots of scars in there, but it's really needed because the wind here is really strong and all the tomato is fell down on the ground, in the dirt, and it's soaked with the water, and including their fruit. After a few days, the tomato is like there is a rat on the bottom, so I decided to tie, and now I think it's doing good. And there's still more coming. Look at this. It's nice to see this. See, that's what I mean. This one is laying on the dirt and it's susceptible to the disease. And this is my beets. It's different colors. There's a yellow, orange, and red and white. And I already harvest like twice, I think. Yeah. And that's my beets right there. This is my carrots. See, you can see carrots now. Hold on, I'm gonna try one there. Some of it's bigger and some it's not. I try to plant organic, and if I see there is a Japanese beetle, I use 4 tablespoons of Dawn soap and mix it with water. And what I do is just like that. I spray and they will be killed. Their soft body cannot take the soap. That's what I do. I don't spray pesticide. There is more okra in there.
Where's Japanese beetles?
Well, they're hiding.
The camouflaging?
I guess, maybe. So I prune the bottom because I don't want going down and it will be susceptible for the disease. Even though I cut the bottom, there's still beetles, Japanese beetles, but I think that's our problem this season. But try to maintain it as organic as I can. And I got alugbati down below. That is this area is okra area, and that's what I said. I spray and then they're just naturally killed by the soap because they usually eat the leaves. So that's what happens.
Do you see the Japanese beetles?
Well, not much because I sprayed the soap. Look, I see something down below. Cantaloupe, honeydew, and
Japanese beetles?
this area here is the vines. The vine squash, cantaloupe, cantaloupe, and
the ants are in here. I sprayed the ants in it.
look at that. See, there is butter squash. butter squash. Look, it's getting bigger. Look, it's okay. Try to thin my harvest some of. Look at that. I like the small one better than the bigger one.
A few moments later.
It's really different when it's fresh and organic. It's sweet. It's just like kamote. It's like sweet potato. It's really good. You cannot beat the organic and homegrown vegetables.
A few moments later.
Driving around. Yeah, the trees here is growing. We should get the fence.
Do something. The deer will tear them up.
The pond is kind of like shallow and the waters move out. That's why the trees died. Sometimes we go boating here.
The water's getting higher and the dark is getting lower.
We need to get a board when we get there so we can get to the dock. That's the way I kind of like the dock, where we need boards to get to the dock.
Yeah.
Go back up.
A little bit. I just want to capture the very beautiful picture. Okay, hold on.
Look! That's a double widow catfish. There's a catfish in there.
Oh yeah, there's more than one.
Woo!
Quick drive ups.
I kind of like it, but I need to trim it up a little.
It's little shorter. Yeah, low.
A little too long.
The next day. That's the first
Mommy?
harvest, second harvest.
Mommy, what's this?
The buttersquash.
Butterscotch.
And then that's alugbati and bitter melon and
What's
zucchini.
this?
Okra and oregano and green onions, lemongrass and moringa.
Green
A
onion.
few moments later.
Utan Bisaya. Alugbati, okra, kalamunggay, kalabasa, ug uban pa. Maura simple nga food. Simple food, healthy foods.